That moan, it came from inside the store.
It came from inside me! My arm! It's Cookie! I must have been bitten during the fight!
We have to kill him! Quarantine him.
Guys, if it gets to a point that I need to be eaten, either for my own well-being or the safety of others, I want it to be you, Puffin.
It would be my solemn pleasure.
But let's explore all the options first. Feel free to chime in here, Fireball.
No, I'm good. I don't know what to do on this one.
I hate to do this, but I guess I'll have to unwrap the comic. Probably devaluing it substantially.
Aw, you're willing to read a whole comic just to save my life?
Hold on. It says here, there's a cure at the original bakery.
To the bakery!
How are we gonna get through all those ginger dudes with their snarling candy teeth and hot, spicy breath and sweet, sweet jelly bow ties?
If we want to get through them, we gotta think like them.
I am not afraid of baked goods.
More like baked bads.
Really?